Out of all the aftermarket car mods that you can do to your car, exhausts have to be probably my all-time favorite mod that you could do. Now, it's not providing the most performance or anything like that, but just the difference in the overall feel you get by installing a new exhaust on your car is pretty much unmatched. And today, we have an exhaust from AWE. This exhaust is for an FK8 Honda Civic Type R. And today, we're gonna unbox and take a look at the Touring Edition from AWE for the FK8 Civic Type R. Welcome to Martini Works Unbox, where we go ahead and unbox products before you purchase so you can get an idea of what exactly you are looking at to make a more confident purchase for your vehicle. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get all the pieces laid out here so we can take a look. All right, so here we have the full exhaust laid out in all of its glory. Now this is a pretty big system. Like I said, this is the Touring Edition from AWE. Now for this car specifically, it does include, at least in this kit that we have here, the integrated front and mid pipe. So we do pretty much replace the entire exhaust on this car for the aftermarket system. Now, AWE, they started in 1991 and made short shifters of all things. And throughout the past 30 years or so, they've evolved into pretty much every bolt-on modification performance-wise to intakes, exhausts, intercoolers, a bunch of different things, and have opened up their product line for a variety of different vehicles. Now, one of the big things about AWE is that they are made right here in the United States, in Pennsylvania, and they do utilize and source their stainless steel from the US, which number one is pretty neat, and number two, with all of the tariff talks that are happening right now, kind of make this exempt from any sort of major price increase since they are made right here in the United States, and it sounds like a lot of the material is sourced from here as well. So depending on what happens with all this, shouldn't see a huge impact in price-wise in the near future for AWE, which is a good thing. So they've been doing stuff for about 30 years or so, but one of the main reasons why I know AWE, and a lot of people know AWE, is because of the recent platforms that they've started to hit really hard with some aftermarket performance parts for, one of them being the Honda Civic. So this kit specifically is going to be going on my wife's FK8 Civic Type R, which we're really excited for. We're really excited to test this out. And of course, we're going to be showing that process and what it sounds like right here on Martini Works Unbox. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see all of that. But this system specifically has become one of like the go-to systems for not only like the 10th gen Civic SIs, but also the Type R variants as well. Now, like I mentioned, this is the Touring Edition. This does come as a track edition as well. So there are two different types of this exhaust that you can get. This being the full Touring Edition exhaust, like I said, includes that integrated front pipe. And the main difference between the track edition and this Touring Edition is going to be this right here, which is going to be the muffler and then of course the resonator part of it as well, where the track edition, more of just a straight through system. So probably one of the biggest choices that you'd have to make when it comes to going with an AWE exhaust system for your Honda Civic. Do I want to go with the track edition or do I want to go with the Touring Edition? What are the key differences? Does it make a real big difference when it comes to the sound and performance? What I will say is that because this is going on my wife's car, talking with her, this is her first aftermarket system that she's putting on a car. She wanted something that was going to sound good, but not be like crazy obnoxious. It is a car that she daily drives during the summer. It's a car that we take on road trips. We didn't want anything that was going to be just too wild and loud and things like that. And that's where we landed with the Touring Edition, with the additional resonator and or muffler on here, and with their patented drone canceling 180 technology. That's AWE's term, not ours. It does help cut down on that cabin drone quite a bit, which is one of the claims to fame when it comes to this system specifically. It's not supposed to drone. Now, obviously, we haven't put it in the car yet, so we haven't put that to the test, but we will be doing so very, very soon. So if that sounds like something that you're going to be doing with your car, we would definitely recommend sticking with the Touring Edition. Now, if you don't really care about all that, you just want an exhaust that is going to be loud, you don't really care about your neighbors in the morning or something like that, or you are just taking this car to the track and you want as much performance as possible, definitely recommend going with the track edition because that is going to give you probably more of what you're looking for. Now, one thing to keep in mind fitment-wise between these two editions, because the Touring edition does have this additional resonator or muffler here, that it can cause some issues with any aftermarket diffuser that you might have in the car. So if you already have an aftermarket diffuser on the car or you're looking to get one in the near future, you might have to do some trimming depending on which one you get. Just kind of reading around on the forums and stuff like that, people seem to have run into issues in the past just with some fitment, with some aftermarket parts in the rear because you do have this additional muffler back there. Now, when it comes to aftermarket exhausts, there are typically a few concerns that surround them before you pull the trigger and throw a new exhaust system on your car. Number one being the sound, which we'll get to at the end here to show you how it sounds on the car. Number two being, is it gonna cause any issues like check engine lights or anything like that, especially in exhaust systems and newer cars, especially when you're replacing as many components as something like this. Do sometimes have the chance to throw a check engine light, especially if you're messing around with like catalytic converters or headers or things like that, anything with the O2 system. The good news is this specific system for the FK8 Type R is guaranteed not to throw any check engine light. Now, typically if you were to throw a check engine light or something like that, it's something you can simply tune out with a custom tune or bringing to a person to tune the car. We still do recommend doing that if you are doing an aftermarket exhaust or intake or combination, especially with a turbocharged car. You can only benefit from it, but this system, you really don't have to worry about that. And of course, the other concern that some people have, especially if you live in states like California, is this going to be legal? Can we even sell it to you if you are looking at buying this exhaust? The good news about this one, this is a CARB-legal exhaust system, meaning that it is technically legal to purchase in all 50 states, at least as of right now. Now, that doesn't mean go slap this on your car and do some pulls on the highway and go disrupt your favorite, local state police officer or something like that. And don't tell them that Gels said from Martini Works that, oh, he said my exhaust was legal, so don't do that. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you can go buy this exhaust for your car and it's not violating any emission laws with the way that it is set up. But doesn't mean you're probably not gonna upset your local police officer a little bit or your neighbors by putting a louder exhaust on your car. That one is up to you and how you act on the road, all right? Now, when it comes to overall design and construction of this exhaust, it is a 3-inch exhaust. It is made of T304 stainless steel, and we do have options for some different tips on here. So in this box is the tips for the exhaust. We do have 3 of them, keeping the iconic kind of like 3 exhaust tip look of the Honda Civic Type R, and we decided to go with the silver chrome finish for these tips, and I think they look really, really good. So these are the silver chrome here, but you also have the option to go with diamond black tips as well if you want something just a little more subtle, or if you like the look of that better. Now, this test, honestly, not too shabby. And so far, I have to say, probably my favorite thing that I've seen with this exhaust so far is that it comes with a sucker. Sour apple blow pop, good choice. Not only that, it comes with its own cutout spot in the foam for the sucker to go, which I think, the attention to detail, unmatched. The instructions, I think, are really cool as well. Having a little fun with it. There are 2 ways to go about installing your new exhaust. Easy way or the hard way. Basically saying, follow the instruction manual. AWE spends a ton of time on the overall fitment and ease of installation when it comes to their systems. That being said, there's still things to know when it comes to installing this exhaust, like does this part go this way or does it go this way? The instructions will tell you that. So when you go in to install your exhaust, you're like, why doesn't this line up? You know why. You don't have to second guess it. They have the instructions for you. Highly recommend checking out. I know, you just read the instructions. I know it's a hard thing to do, especially as a man. Just bite the ego a little bit. I don't know what to tell you. That being said, though, overall installation of this should be pretty straightforward. It comes with all the hardware that you need. The entire system is a slip fit system. We do have the band clamps that go over that instead of like flanges and bolts that are sometimes hard to get to on the upper side. These make it really easy. You kind of adjust it as needed to make sure that it's sitting perfectly level or the way that it needs to sit without having to worry about all of that stuff. So overall installation should be pretty straightforward. So with all that being said, where does this exhaust come in at price-wise? Well, what I will say, it's not the cheapest exhaust out there. It does come in with a pretty hefty price point, but it's not the most expensive out there by any means. Where it is sitting, at least as of right now, you're looking at $1,755 for this exact layout. That's what this layout costs retail. But with that, I will say you are getting what you're paying for. You are getting a quality made exhaust that is made right here in the United States, if that is a benefit to you, if that's something that you're looking for. It looks good, sounds good, and it doesn't cause any hassle. It's something you can buy in all 50 states. It's meant to fit really well, and it's meant to be easy to install. So with that being said, probably one of the main reasons why you're here, let's go throw this on the car and see what it sounds like. So there you have it. There's your full breakdown of the AWE Touring Edition exhaust for the FK8 Honda Civic Type R. If you're interested in checking out this exhaust for yourself, or if you have any other questions about it, feel free to reach out to us over at martiniworks.com. You can check this out over there as well. We'll put a link to this specific system down in the description for you to check out. So go over there, see what you find, see if you like it. And of course, like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to us. So thank you all so much for watching. If there's any products that you want us to review here on the channel in the future, let us know down below, but we'll see you later.